Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Wednesday Addams Day. It is a day that I sat up to challenge everyone to show their Wednesday Addams doll, 1 or 101. Love to see each of your Wednesday dolls. Let me come around and tell you a little bit about my Wednesday Addams dolls. Most of them are Blythes, and I like it that way. I'm just going to point out a few of my Wednesday Addams dolls. This one went to BlytheCon last year, this Blythe, and she is still wearing, I just can't take off. At BlytheCon last year, they had beautiful tables set up in a party fashion, and there was a seat for everyone, and every Blythe doll got a party hat because it was the 50th year of the Kinner Blythe doll. It was held in Cincinnati, Ohio, and a lot of us went down to Kinner Street. This was a keychain. This one was made by Jean Stanton. I absolutely love it. Look at this. It's all crocheted. The dress, everything. Just as cute as it can be. Then we have Gothia and Opal, as well as my little Mitty, and they are all sporting their pastel goth dresses day, and this is pastel black, in case you did not know. Those are my Dolls Gone Goth dolls that we do, J Dolls UK and I do each month on the 16th. This doll, I bet you're wondering why she's here. This doll looks like Allison from, what does she call her channel now? Gilly Monster?
Gilly the Monster.
Gilly the Monster, that's it, yeah. It used to be Wednesday and Gilly. And this doll looks like Allison, and I had her tattoo. Well, actually, Gilly did his name here, and where'd she put her name? Right here. That's my Wednesday doll. That's my Wednesday Rainbow High doll. This I absolutely love. This is my Friday. She is a custom doll that I did, one of the first. Her eyes open and close with these little pull strings. She has a key, and I did this in 2021. She has little bitty buttons on her dress. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're seed beads. Friday is the original TV show Wednesday Addams' middle name. And that is from an episode where they went to school, and I think it was when they went to school at the police station. I can't remember which. This is a Wednesday Addams doll I absolutely love. She went to a doll show in St. Louis, Missouri. And is this Margie? I think her name is Margie. Yeah, Margie just wanted to show off her new dress because I made a chubby Wednesday Addams who took her dress. This is just a cute doll I got on AliExpress. This is Raven. She just likes to act like Wednesday. This doll and this amazing little headless doll were handcrafted by Dory at Dory's Dollies. This, I absolutely love her. I love her with that smile. And I gave her the movie dress, or the dress like the Wednesday Addams movie, the Addams Family movie. And she has that smile that they showed. Now she's on a stand that she's borrowing. And this is my newest, and she is a chubby, and she has a friend. And this is Margot. And they're kind of yin-yang. But this is my newest. I made her dress. It's kind of, don't fall, Wednesday. Oh, don't knock everybody over. I know it's your personality, but you're on camera. Let's try to be nice. All right, stand back up, sweetie pie. These I absolutely love. I just got these from Holly's Dolly Hobby. I love that name. Aren't they cute? They're little stickers, and I just wanted to show those with my collection. I have one more thing. If you notice, I have the Neo size from AliExpress, several that are Wednesday Addams or Wednesday Addams-ish. I have a midi and I have a mini. And you know what? I know I have another mini. You know, I went up to get them and couldn't find them. Well, I'll find them after. And I also have a chubby that is a Wednesday Addams. But I do not have a doll like this that is a Wednesday Addams, but I'm going to. She just came. This is a Basque, B-A-S-A-A-K, and it's just a type of black doll. She is different than the ones I've gotten in the past. She's a lot different. Huh. And don't you hate the way they pack them? Actually, she made it all the way from China and seems okay. Amazing. Just this little bag. No other. That's it. That's how she came from China. I want to save that. Let's pull this off her head. Her face is different. She's got more of a, she's not as white. I don't know what that is, but we'll move it. Oh, look. I was sewing on a last minute button, and that came out of the pack. This is a Basque. Oh, they have, boy, they used to have great hair. This is not. This is going to need some baby powder.
Quite greasy.
Quite greasy. It's going to need baby powder. What I do when they come in like this is I put them in a dry bathtub with their hair up like this and their string down. And then I sprinkle a lot of baby powder in that. And then it gets everywhere. So I flip it around and I do it like this. And I let that sit for 24 hours or as long as the bathtub's not in use. And take them outside and brush and brush and brush. And then I do it again if I can, or I give them a bath. Anyway, she's going to need that treatment. And I have tried everything with this hair. The baby powder works the best and is the fastest way to do it. Goo Gone does not work for me at all. Downy Dip did not work to take this out. So that baby powder works. Anyway. This is my new Wednesday. Oh, her arm is a little messed up. I am going to give her a face up, and I am planning to do that, and I don't know when, but soon. I am planning to do that as a DIY because these dolls, while cheaper than the others, are not as easy to do a custom on. Their eye chips are actually fused in to that socket. Darren bought a
milling bit.
Yeah, for his, what is that?
Drill press?
Drill press.
It's like a drill, but it's flat, so it doesn't, it just, well, mills it out.
Oh, and I meant to bring some shoes in so I could show you her feet better. Let's check her eyes. Yep, they work great. But you can see that their eyelashes are not as nice as they could be. Now, it used to be you could just pluck those out with tweezers and then put a little bit of glue on a half a eyelash, half of a human eyelash, and slide that back in. Now they're fusing these. So those take some work too. But I love these dolls. I love them. They're fun, they're cute, and they have Barbie feet. Their knees click and bend, which I like because it gives them motion. They turn at the waist. Doesn't she turn at the waist? They used to. Yeah, she turns at the waist. The dress isn't allowing it. Let's take this dress off and take a look. Something's wrong. She's not turning. There we go. There we go. She's turning at the waist. So their articulation is their head goes side to side, their arms go up and out, their legs bend front and back. They cannot ride a horse, and they have the click and bend knees. So that is my new Wednesday Addams, who's going to look quite different coming soon. Opal wanted to show you her new snowman opal heart-shaped necklace that she's wearing. I wanted to point out my t-shirt. Can you see it, Darren, or no? It's cold in the house, so I put this on over it, but I thought, man, I don't want to put it on and you not see it. I love my Wednesday Addams t-shirt, but it's going to be 25 here tonight. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please, a couple of things. First of all, if you have a Wednesday Addams video today, let me know in the comments. I don't want to miss it. The algorithm doesn't work anymore. Hashtags are, they don't mean a thing anymore, and I want to see your video. Also, on November 3rd, coming up very quickly, we're having Amaya Rain Day, and that is a collab challenge that I'm doing with Dory's Dollies, where we ask you to show us your Amaya Rain, Rainbow High, or other Rainbow High dolls. I just wanted to remind you that's coming up. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.